How to register with GP in UK online. The first things first is you have to access your preferred browser. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. Now once you pull up your browser right here, just simply type in register with GP. Now you'll have to click on the first link, which is how to register with GP surgery. So you'll be routed to an NHS page. Now you scroll down a bit, as you can see, there will be plenty of instructions on how you can do or how you register with GP. There's actually even an instruction here if you wanted to register GP outside your local area. Now what you want to do is go ahead and click on find the GP and then add your postcode. Now I'm gonna add a random postcode right here, then click search. Scroll down and then click on register online with this GP. Now you'll be routed to just a quick human verification. Now once the captcha is done, you just go ahead and scroll down and then click on start now. Now you'll just have to answer these questions, these quick questions, who is registering with the GP, answer it appropriately, and once everything is done, you'll be able to register yourself with GP in UK online. So that's how to register with GP in UK online.